Hi everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called Om Shanti Textile. This comes in a street called Honurappa Lane, which comes in Kabanpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Sudarshan Mansion in 5th floor. To come to Kabanpet, just remember this Tempaveshwara Swami temple. So when you come near this temple, just from here, just go little bit down. So when you come little bit down, you can just check here. One first left is going to come. This is the left. You have to get inside this street. When you come little bit further, you can just check here. Om Shanti Textile is written in 5th floor, and this is a complex. This complex that you are seeing, this is a complex. In this complex, you have to go in 5th floor. So you have to come inside, and you have to go like this. You can go by lift, you can go by staircase. This is outlet. You can just check Om Shanti Textile 5th floor. You can go by lift. So this is 5th floor, and here is outlet is the Om Shanti Textile. Very huge wholesale studio, and they are the manufacturer of saris. This is one section, and just check the collections of the saris. Starting price is 125. You can buy wholesale, you can buy retail, all types of saris you are getting. One of the biggest collections of saris. You can tell he is the king of the saris. So many varieties are there. More than 10,000 varieties of saris are there. How much ever piece you want, you can order 1 piece, 100 piece, 1000 piece. All types of saris you will get. And this is also one more section. You can just see such a huge outlet, almost 50,000 square feet, but still there is no place. So many collections of saris is there. And this one section where entire billing and all happens. So complete professional people in this field. So if you want to start a business or you want to existing business of saris, you can come here. This is also one more section. You can select, or if you want for yourself also, that also you can do. This is one more section of the saris. You can just have a look and see the collections. Cotton saris, all types of saris you'll get here, and very nice collections, right from basic range, mid range, high range. All types of saris you'll get. Huge collection this is. So this is one section. Right opposite to this only, there is one more section. They send to many parts of South India, all over India, and they also send to many parts abroad also, like foreign countries, export and all. So this is also one more section. Huge. This is, as I told you, one of the biggest manufacturer of saris, biggest collections of saris, all types of saris you'll get. So great opportunity. So this is one section. One more section. You can just have a look, and here also you'll find lot of collections of saris and all. So this is also one more section. Totally 3 floors, 50,000 square feet. Very nice collections of saris. And so this is one section. From here, this is the final section where I'm going in front of me. So if you are interested in buying any of the products, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. They are majorly into saris. So if you want to buy saris, you can come here and contact them directly. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Anand. Hi Mr. Anand, welcome to my show. Mr. Anand, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get here?
Actually, our company name is Om Shanti Textile. It is located in Bangalore. There's area called Kabanpet. Okay, from near 15th Cross. It's in the Siddhana Gully. Okay, so we are manufacturers from nearly 45 years. So we manufacturing everything in our in our factories only. Digitaling everything. So you can see our Instagram, Facebook, everything. If you want to buy one sari also, you can buy from us. You can come to our store. It's like a departmental store. So you want to buy, you just go to some. It's about 50,000 square feet. Like how you go to malls, like go buy one sari or one shirt piece like that. Okay, nobody is questioning here. Okay, so you can come and have a look and buy. If you want to buy, you can buy.
Any starting price, sir? Lowest starting price?
So our sari starts at 125. I will show you
few samples.
So it's about 10,000 products in my store. Like it's like a mall. It's everything is available. Pant, shirt, piece, lungi, dhoti, towel, kurtis, everything like nighties, petticoats, blouses, ready blouses, dresses, everything, plazos. So now I'll show you lowest range.
Okay.
This is
Wow.
home washable. This only is 5.5 meters. It won't have blouse.
Okay.
Okay, it's a home washable. This will cost 125 rupees.
Superb.
In this, you will get 10,000 designs.
Nice.
Okay, I'll be little bit fast.
Okay.
Okay, so lot of नया item भी बहुत दिखाएंगे इसके अंदर.
अच्छा.
So you can have a look. See, this only cost 125. Nobody can in the
No,
world can
superb.
give this rate.
Nice.
If anybody gives in this rate, you come with the sari with the bill. I'll give you 1 rupee less. I will give you 1 lakh rupee gift. Okay. So I'll be little bit fast. I will show you some other products also.
What and all fabric will get here, sir? Service.
Everything.
Okay.
Pure, raw, tussar, chapa. Now happening. I will be showing my digital. And I put new industry. That's a crepe. You know,
Acha.
like happening. Georges, crepes, simmers. So this is 160 rupees.
Wow.
See, only 160 rupees.
Nice.
It's all with blouse sarees. Okay. It's all soft silk.
Okay.
So you will get thousands of designs in this.
Okay.
You can come and you can pick yourself.
Okay.
आके अपने आप आराम से 160 रुपए की साड़ी है. आप जितना भी चाहिए ऑनलाइन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड हम लोग डिस्पैच करते हैं.
और अपना कलेक्शन कब कब चेंज होता रहता है सर आपका?
एवरी डे देयर विल बी न्यू आइटम्स. यू
अच्छा.
नो लाइक हम लोगों का खुद की फैक्ट्रियां हैं.
अच्छा.
तो क्या है, नया नया चीज बनाते रहते हैं फैशन के हिसाब से.
Okay.
अभी क्लाइमेट कूल है तो वो हिसाब से डार्क कलर्स बनाते हैं.
ओके.
समर है तो लाइट कलर्स बनता है.
और आपके कस्टमर को अपडेट मिल जाता है व्हाट्सएप में?
और सॉरी लाइक देखिए अभी ये मेरा विजिटिंग कार्ड है. इस पे जो
अच्छा.
QR कोड है ना,
हाँ.
इसके ऊपर आप क्लिक कीजिए.
अपना-
एवरी डे अपडेट मिलेगा.
Okay.
इस पे आप क्लिक कीजिए. यू विल गेट कनेक्टेड टू माय यूट्यूब.
नाइस.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can have look and share with your friends. On the screen there will be 2 numbers.
Okay.
There are my teletalkers. You know they'll
Okay.
guide you how to come here.
अच्छा.
Sunday will be closed. Please
Sunday.
don't come on Sunday.
रिमेनिंग डे टाइमिंग क्या है सर?
10:30 to 7.
अच्छा.
No lunch break. Okay.
Okay,
So beautiful. You will be treated like a queen in my shop.
Nice.
So you understand? No,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
not
sir.
like other shops.
Okay.
You buy, no problem. You don't buy, no problem.
This
But
is what
have a
range,
look.
sir? This is?
This is all fancy prints.
Okay.
It's cost only. This is also 5.5 meter.
Okay.
I have to tell the truth. But you know, it's only 145 rupees.
Wow.
There will be 5% GST.
Okay.
Okay. So then thousands of designs available in this. So
Okay.
there's one more product. This with blouse
Okay.
is only 200 rupees.
Wow.
So like this on the
So it's a great opportunity for resellers.
yes, resellers, you know, boutique people
People who want
doing
to start.
business in at home. घर पे भी धंधा करने वाले around the world. People are coming to me. Why, you know, what I'm showing you in the video that's really available.
Okay.
Maybe design might change.
Okay.
So, but it doesn't mean that when you come here, I cannot say the stocks are over like other people tells.
Okay.
That's not my story. Okay.
Here you have 10,000 varieties of
Yeah,
sarees.
10,000. I'm just showing you
Few sample.
0.1% also. Okay.
Tip of the iceberg.
Tip. Okay. See, this is only 275 rupees.
Very nice.
See this. Nobody can give in this world.
What
Only
fabric is this, sir?
These all fancy fabrics, you
Okay,
know.
nice.
Like kadak माल होता है
हाँ,
ना
kadak.
जैसा
This-
देखिए.
Nice.
Only 275. Okay.
Superb.
In this every product there will be thousands of design. I'm just giving you, you know, like normally I'm showing you little. You know,
Okay.
this all see 350, 375 approximate. I'm telling.
Uh-huh.
Okay. See who will give this sari for
Very
375,
nice.
350.
Super.
5% GST will be there.
Okay.
One sari courier available. Okay, no COD. Understood?
Yeah.
So see this tussers. ये देखिए ये
जबरदस्त.
650 रुपए की साड़ियाँ हैं.
Super.
अनबिलीवेबल चीज देखिए.
Nice.
ये मधुबनी बोलते हैं. ये रिटेल के अंदर नॉर्मली आई कैन से दे सेल फॉर 2535. जो ई कॉमर्स पोर्टल है
हाँ.
वो तो छोड़िए, कोई हिसाब ही नहीं है.
इसमें कलर्स भी मिलता है सर?
कलर भी मिलता है. बहुत आइटम्स है.
अच्छा.
ये तो मैं तो सैंपल एक 0.1% बता रहा हूँ. अभी चीज देखिए. अभी अपन आते डिजिटल दे बेटा. अभी आते हैं. अभी जो लेटेस्ट जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया मैंने, चीज देखिए. अभी ये चीज जो है ना डिजिटल, ये वर्ल्ड में कोई नहीं बनाया.
अच्छा.
सिर्फ ओम शांति टेक्सटाइल बैंगलोर में बनाया. ये प्योर की कॉपी होती है.
Okay.
प्योर में 30,000 रुपया 25,000 रुपया की साड़ियां हैं.
Okay.
ये मेरे पास 1,850 की है.
Cool,
ओनली 180. इसके अंदर thousands ऑफ डिजाइन है. देखिए 3D इफेक्ट.
Wow.
चीज
Nice.
देखिए.
This is like first time, sir?
फर्स्ट टाइम.
Okay.
सो नोबडी, किसी के पास ये कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हम लोगों ने क्या अपने पास फैक्ट्री में फैशन डिजाइनर
Wow.
बिठा रखे हैं. ये
is
देखिए. एक
Superb.
साड़ी के अंदर रेनबो कलर्स है.
अच्छा.
This is 1,850 in this.
Okay.
You will get thousands of designs.
All
Okay.
digital print.
Yeah,
this is
yeah. And
nice.
one more thing, our YouTube channel is there, Om Shanti
Yes.
Textile Bangalore. Please आप
Subscribe.
YouTube में जाके उसको सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए, और एवरी वीक 2 वीडियो हम लोग अपलोड करते ही रहते हैं.
सब डिटेल मिल जाता है.
सब डिटेल मिलेगा. और किसी के घर में शादी है, इन वन स्टोर यू गेट एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
लहंगा, साड़ीज, ड्रेसेस, ब्लाउजेस. दिस इक्कत प्रिंट्स, nobody can print. This is digital ikat. See, only 1,250.
And where and all your product goes, sir?
Around the world.
Okay.
Around the world. People are buying from New York, America, London.
Nice.
You see, we are on now, like on YouTube, like
Instagram,
everywhere.
all social media.
Instagram, Facebook. So naturally, they can have a look and they order. We supply them. And we all supply in speed post.
Okay.
So this is a contrast. In pure silk, this will cost 18,000. In our store, this will cost 1150.
Super.
Only 1150. See, in this each product you will get 18 to 20 colors.
Nice.
Okay, इसके अंदर देखिए एक से एक आइटम है. अभी हैपनिंग फैब्रिक जो है ना, आप इंस्टाग्राम दूसरों का भी देखिए, सिर्फ क्रेप ही चल रहा है. काफी लोग हमसे खरीद के वो लोग बेचते हैं.
अच्छा.
देखिए ये चीज हम तो क्या मैन्युफैक्चरर से प्लस होलसेलर से चीज देखिए, ब्यूटीफुल. सॉरी, इस टाइप का कॉन्ट्रास्ट पल्ला आएगा, इसके अंदर कॉन्ट्रास्ट ब्लाउज रहता है. ईच डिजाइन में 20 कलर आते हैं. ले बेटा.
Solid.
सो लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, अभी डिजिटल के अंदर मेरे पास हजारों आइटम है. देखिए ये डिजिटल के अंदर इसको हम लोग सालारी बोलते हैं.
Okay.
जरी पास होता रहता है. देखिए डिजिटल प्रिंट किया हो, इसके लिए स्पेशल ब्लाउज बनाया हम लोगों ने. देखिए इस टाइप का स्पेशल ब्लाउज मिलता है.
Nice.
ओके, सो ये 1950 का है. इसके अंदर आपको हंड्रेड्स ऑफ डिजाइन. तो ये तो क्या वीडियो बड़ा हो जाएगा करके हम दो चार ही बता रहे. देखिए सेंटर
Nice,
प्रिंट,
बहुत अच्छा.
बॉर्डर प्रिंट, शेडिंग्स. देखिए ये सैंपल्स है. एवरीडे 5,000 साड़ी एक आइटम के अंदर आता है. देखिए शेडिंग देखिए.
Nice.
तो ये जो है ना हैपनिंग आइटम है एज ऑन टुडे. ब्यूटीफुल आइटम्स फ्रॉम ओम शांति टेक्सटाइल बैंगलोर. सी दिस.
क्या प्रिंट है.
Okay, these are all digitals, beautiful prints.
Beautiful artwork.
Yeah, beautiful artwork and rate. You can compare to the anywhere, like
And this will sell like hot cake.
hot cakes. Yeah. See, these all 1,750.
Wow.
See, this hundreds of designs. I'm just showing you samples, one, two to that.
Very big
See,
manufacturing
beautiful.
wholesaler. Nice.
Only 1,750. Okay.
Nice.
So now I'll come to handworks.
Okay.
These all hand printed sarees, like so beautiful with jari. It's a happening fabric now. See this crepe. ये चीज जो देखिए ना है सब हाथ से काम किया हुआ है. शेडिंग रहता है इसके अंदर. ओके, ये सब 1,850. अभी हैपनिंग आइटम ये आइटम है. ये जो बैंगलोर के अंदर है ना 3D इफेक्ट आता है.
अच्छा.
ये देखिए 3 कलर का है ना ऐसा इफेक्ट. तो ये जो हैपनिंग है, पर डे हजारों साड़ियाँ बिकती है.
Okay.
रेट वाइज वी आर सेलिंग. सी दिस.
Nice. Sir.
देखो ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज,
Very nice.
वेरी नाइस. एंड ईच डिजाइन में 30, 40, 50 कलर्स मिलता है. सी दिस इज अ 3D इफेक्ट.
Okay. Nice.
दिस वन कलर, दिस वन कलर, दिस वन कलर. ओके, like this. So these are 1,850.
You get basically all taste of sarees.
Everything.
Kerala, South India,
Yeah,
everything.
so everywhere. See, these all Dharmavaram sarees. Normally, this is being sold for 40,000, 50,000 in pure silk. So we get that and make it in our looms. But it is not pure silk. It's a fancy fabric.
Okay.
Once you buy it, you wear it. You won't come to know whether it's a very light colors. Okay. So this is only 2,950.
Wow.
See.
Nice.
So you can compare with any retail store, no problem. You can buy online. You can come down. You can have a look. You can pick any amount of saree. You want to buy one saree also, you can come.
And in this, how it is like, sir? Standard size or what?
No, these all with rich pallu.
Okay.
This is called gum finish.
Okay.
See this, if you might have seen these sarees.
Nice.
Okay, and then normally they have been sold for 30,000, 40,000. So we sell for 2,950.
Wow.
Plus 5% GST will be there. Okay, we sell lehengas, everything. See this? All 4 minas, 4x1. So like this, lot of products are there. We have got lehengas, we got blouses, plazos, kurtis, everything. So
Okay,
I'll close my video here. Please have a look and please follow us. And Om Shanti Textile Bangalore is our YouTube channel. Follow that. Every week we upload 2-3 videos in that. So I've shown my visiting card and QR code is there. Okay, please see this video, share it with your friends. Thank you. This is Anand from Om Shanti Textile Bangalore. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.